Hey guys, Renee Anthony again, man, with another video to answer some questions. Hey Derek, what's up, bud? This question you wrote me actually. You're inquiring about insurance. How does it work? And basically your question was asking if they won't give you insurance without experience, and how do you ever get insurance, right? Good question, I guess, huh? All right, so there's a couple ways of going about this. I had no experience when I started. As far as I've been in the transport industry for 12 years as a broker, I have never been in the driving industry. So I went through calling all the insurance companies, man. I looked for videos on YouTube. I couldn't find anything on insurance, man. You found stuff, but the guys beat around the bush. So I'm going to tell you how it works, man. If you want to start your own transport company, if you have a CDL Class A already, you're already in the positive, man. That's awesome, okay? You've had it for 10 years, you said, 10 years plus. That's experience for 10 years, right there, alone. But you're probably saying, well, yeah, but what if I didn't work for somebody? You worked for somebody for 3 years. You had your license. You could have drove trucks. They don't know what you've done. You have experience. But let's say you had no experience and you want to start a trucking company, okay? Well, the insurance company that does not care about your insurance is one company, and their name is Progressive. Progressive Auto Insurance, which I'm sure you've heard of Progressive, that lady on TV and stuff. You give them a call and... Hold on a second, I'm sorry. Okay. You give them a call and they don't care about your experience. They don't even ask you for your experience. But if you have nothing and you've never had commercial insurance or none of that, be prepared to pay a lot of money for insurance. Just to give you an idea how much insurance costs, my insurance was $38,000. Okay, Progressive used to finance. They no longer finance. So now you have to pay the complete thing. When your first payment, they give you two payments. When you book the insurance, you pay 50% up front. After 1 month, 30 days of driving, you have to pay the remainder balance in full. So they give you 30 days to pay everything in full, Progressive. Very steep, okay? The first time you do it, you go as an owner-operator. As long as you're an owner-operator, you're fine. The experience comes in. If I want to hire somebody to drive for me, they must have 2 years experience with their CDL. But if you're going as an owner-operator, you don't have to worry about the experience part with Progressive, okay? Now, if I want to hire you, let's say I wanted to hire you to drive for me, you have to have 2 years experience with your CDL. You had it for 10 years. I'm pretty sure Progressive will let you drive for me. Because your experience is 10 years. They might say, well, who'd you drive with? ABC Transport. There's no way for them to really tell. There is and there's not, so that's something you have to play by ear. But I think you having the CDL for 10 years, I mean, you have a Class A license, so you have the experience of having that license, okay? But if you want to be an owner-operator, let's say you didn't have the license, or in your case, you're kind of scared about that. As long as you're the owner-operator, you're fine, bud. You're good to go, man. You could go ahead and do it. Just remember, it's going to cost a lot of money, man. It killed me to have to pay that complete $40,000 up front, man. It's insane. And a lot of people don't believe how expensive it is, man. But trust me, man, that's exactly what mine was. But $38,000, and I had, just tell you what my insurance was, $1 million liability. I had $100,000 cargo. I actually had to raise my cargo recently. I raised it to $250,000 in cargo, which they charged me additional $3,500 to raise my cargo from $100,000 to $250,000. I have $250,000 cargo. The reason I did that is a lot of places that I pick vehicles up from, and I'm an enclosed carrier, so a lot of places I pick up Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, a lot of high-end vehicles. They want $250,000 of coverage. So they make me, I have to call my insurance company, and they put them on the secondary part, on the bottom down there where they're secondary insured, or whatever they call that. I forget the name of it. God, I got a mind blink right now, but I'll think about it, I'll tell you. So yeah, that's basically how the insurance works, man. Don't be discouraged. You could get insurance, owner-operator. You could definitely get insurance without any experience, actually, man. How, they understand. How else would you start, right? It's common sense. Everybody started somewhere. These guys that you see out here, Swift, JB Hunt, Reliable Auto Carriers, all these big companies, they didn't start with 50 trucks, man. They started with one truck. One. And the owner of the company was the driver, owner-operator. After he got a couple years under his belt, he hired somebody. And then duplicate the process over and over and over. That's how you do it. So don't worry about the insurance part as long as you have the money. If you don't have the money, you got to save up money and do it, man. It's it's tough. You can get the 50% down. If you get the 50% down, I mean, it might be cheaper in your state. I'm from Miami, Florida, so where I'm at is a little more expensive. So you might be able to get it for around, I'd say, 25,000 to 30,000. 35. It depends where you're at, but I don't see you going under 25,000, to be honest with you, man. I really don't, because I was looking around in Texas, different areas. I have family I live in, and I was going to open up an office there just to get the insurance there, say my trucks are out of there, but I didn't do that. I opened it up in Miami, and I just paid the premium. And, but I tell you, if you got the 50% to put up, if you get out there and bust your tail, you can make the next payment. I promise you, man. In 30 days, you'll make that remainder payment. And that's a fact, man. That's not a lie. That's not smoke and mirrors, man. You could definitely make it, man. You get an enclosed carrier, you pick up vehicles, you're going to make some money, but that's a fact, man, I hope I answered your question, all right, bud? This is for Derek, I hope I answered everything right, bud, all right, man? Well, you take care now, all right, Derek? And please tell some friends about me, man. I need some more subscribers. Tell all your buddies, man, subscribe to my channel. Help me out there, all right? I'll keep answering as many questions for you, man. Give me a hand with some subscribers, some likes, man. Let people know in the industry, man. I'll do everything I can to help you out, man. If you have any further questions, man, feel free to give me a call. Give me a call. Go ahead and comment on my videos, and I'll definitely answer for you, man, all right? I'm on my way out to Los Angeles, man, and, I'll be on the road for the next 21 days, man. So I'm going to post this video up right now. And please, just feel free, man, anything, bud. I'm here to help you out, man, all right, Derek? I hope I answered the insurance question the right way, and that's how it worked for me, man, and I know it sucks, man. That's the hardest part about this, is getting insurance and getting the proper licensing, man. Don't waste your money on insurance and don't get the proper licensing. What's the point? The licensing costs nothing compared to the insurance. Nothing. Get the proper licensing. Do the things the right way, buddy. You're going to make a hell of a lot of money in this industry. It'll change your life, man. If right now you're struggling and you don't have money, I'm telling you, whoever's watching this video, get your ass up. Get out there and work. Hard work, man. I'm telling you, man. I bust my ass. I got 6 kids. 6. My kids are at home. My wife's at home, man. And I tell you, yeah, it sucks to be on the road for 20 days, 21 days. But I tell you, it's a hell of a feeling, man, when you're able to pay your rent, pay your bills, be financially free. It's amazing, man. And to know all you got to do is get your ass in your truck and drive. And you're going to make money, man. You're going to make more money in 1 month than people make in a half a year working at Walmart, Publix, Winn-Dixie, all those bullshit jobs. Get your ass in a truck and make some money, man. Make it happen, all right, bud? All right, man. I hope I answered everything, guys. Hey, everybody, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, wherever it's at, up, down. I don't know, my daughter tells me it's to this corner. Wherever, click that subscribe button, man. Help me out, all right? All right, guys, Renee Anthony, South Beach Transport.